Good morning, Pradyuman.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Purti.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. How are you all today?
We are very well, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great.
We are well and
So,
hearty.
wow.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Yeah. Even I am feeling good to hear that you are feeling good.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, guys, today we are going to cover 10 advanced English words which can garnish your English speaking and they can help you to go next level in English fluency. Okay. They can develop your English.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So, my first word is sensible. Sensible. The format is very simple. First, I will tell the word, and then we will use that word into your sentence. Okay, it's very simple.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. So, Pradyuman, your first word is sensible.
Yes,
Sensible means understandable. समझदार जो इंसान होता है उसे कहते हैं sensible.
yes, sir. Sir, a person who learns from others' mistakes, that person is sensible because we can't make mistake ourselves in our whole life. So that's we
Very
should
good.
learn from others' person mistake.
Okay. Purti.
Yes, sir. Sir, in election, we should elect those people who are sensible.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Who are sensible and they can
Yes,
rule the country by their
yes,
wise
sir.
decision.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So guys, my next word is affection. Affection means love. Pradyuman, use this
Yes,
word in
sir.
your sentence.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have affection towards my parents because
Very good.
he provided me education and he did what I wanted to do in my life.
Okay. He allowed you to do what you want to do in your life,
Yes,
or
sir.
he permitted you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in that case, you are very lucky to have a father like him.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Purti. Now it's your turn.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, affection is very large toward children. Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
He always love children.
Yeah, he always loved children.
Yes, sir.
We can say that he had great affection for
Yes,
children.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. My next word is clumsy. Clumsy means bedhanga. Okay. Somewhat filthy in that way.
800. Sir, I think clumsy man is unable to live his life with full dedication.
Clumsy men are unable to
Okay.
live their life.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Purti, it's your turn.
Yes, sir. Sir, most of the people finish their work in clumsy manner.
Very good. That's true.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. My next word is ebullient. Ebullient means full of energy, full of spirit, Joshila, that type.
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, we should work with ebullient manner because when we work like this, our work automatically happen, and we need, we and after that we will not regret.
Okay. Yeah,
Yes,
Purti,
sir.
just give it a
Yes,
try.
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, student life in ambulance manner. So, what was the meaning?
Ebullient means full of spirit,
Okay.
full of vigor,
Yes, sir. Sir,
Joshila.
student. Yes, sir. Sir, student life in ambulance, and because of their ambulance, they are eager to achieve anything what they want to do in their life.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But unfortunately, very few of them could achieve in their life
Yes,
what they
sir.
want.
Ye-
The rest
Yes,
go
sir.
with another ways.
Yes, sir.
That's a sad reality. Yeah, guys, my next word is imperative. Imperative means necessary, important.
Yeah. Sir, we should sir, we should take moral ideas in our life, and this is imperative for our life to get success. And this is the most important characteristic of any person.
Okay.
Yes.
Purti.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is very imperative that we should take rest while reading, and it keeps our mind balanced. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's imperative.
Yes, sir.
Hey guys, my next advanced word is garrulous. It's garrulous. Means a person who talks a lot. बातूनी जो
Yes, sir.
होता है बहुत ज्यादा बातें करता है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
My
Buddhiman.
friends, yes, sir. My friend is garrulous because whenever he starts to talk to me, he doesn't take the name of stop, and that's
Okay, he doesn't
why.
stop. He keeps
Yes,
talking.
sir. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, Purti,
Yes,
come
sir.
on, give a
Sir,
try.
yes, sir. Sir, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is garrulous compared to Manmohan Singh.
Yeah, that's true. That's the reality.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Guys, my next word is procrastination. Procrastination means to delay something, to avoid something. किसी चीज को टालते रहना,
Yes,
टालना
sir.
उस चीज को.
Yeah, sir. We should not avoid procrastination because we should not let at any work to do any work, and we should avoid procrastination to do this.
Avoid. It's
Yeah.
avoid. Okay. Look, since it's a noun, so it should be used in noun form. Like procrastination is the best, is the biggest hurdle
Yeah.
of becoming successful. Like this. Okay. It's a noun form.
Yes.
So it should be used like a noun. Do not use it as a verb.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Purti, give a
Yes,
try.
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, government should not procrastination the policy that made by government, and
Okay. Or
they
we can say
yes, sir.
there should be no procrastination in government's policies.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There should be no procrastination. उसमें delay नहीं होना चाहिए. Like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Don't worry, guys. You are just learning. Okay. And mistakes are proof that you are learning.
Yes,
Let's have a
sir.
next word. Next word is adequate. Adequate means insufficient, scanty,
Yeah.
adhura.
Yes, sir. Sir, adequate knowledge is
Inadequate.
hardly
Inadequate, not adequate. Inadequate.
okay. Yes, sir. Yeah, inadequate knowledge is difficult for that person who wants to get success in his life because
Mhm.
he will face many problems in future if he didn't study. If he would not study at now present time.
Okay. If he doesn't study thoroughly,
Yes, sir.
he faces lots of problems in life. Purti,
Yes, sir.
come on, it's your turn.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, when we got fail in our first attempt, it means we have do inadequate work.
Could you repeat that, please?
Yes, sir. So when we got fail in first attempt in our exam, it means that we have done work in adequate manner.
Okay. So you want to say that when we get fail in first attempt.
Yes.
Yeah. Guys, I have a next word for you. That is surge. Surge means sudden increase. अचानक से कोई चीज बढ़ जाती है. That is surge. बढ़ोतरी होती है.
Yes, sir.
In sentence we can say
Yes.
that a few months back, yeah, it's surge. Few months back, we had surge in COVID-19 patients. like
Yes,
this.
sir. Yes, sir. After COVID-19, our economic growth has surged because all daily activity has started now, like
Okay, Purti.
transportation and economy
Yes,
and all.
Mhm.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the border of India, LOC, China soldiers have been surged. China's solar.
Okay, come on, give a try. Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
Give a try.
Yes, sir. Sir, in number of China soldiers have been surged compared to last month.
Okay, no problem, Purti. Okay, you are learning. Don't worry. Some mistakes will happen. Okay, don't worry. So you wanted to say that there has been a surge. Okay, there
Yes,
has
sir.
been a surge in Chinese soldier around Indian borders, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah, this was your sentence, but still you try
yes,
hard
sir.
to spoke that. You tried hard to spoke that sentence, but still you did not complete. It's okay. We are at the beginning level, so it's okay. Okay, so just keep learning
Yes, sir.
and keep having fun. All right. Yeah, one day
Okay,
come
sir.
when you will become a very good English speaker. All right, guys.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so that's all for today. See you tomorrow on the same time. Bye. Have a nice time. Enjoy
Bye,
your
sir. Have
holiday.
a nice day.
Yeah, bye.